These are just questions I had, and one of them was about maternity leave and whether it applies to men and exactly what the law is on as it relates to employment, that is maternity leave versus employment.
Yes, it does apply to men and women, and what it does is that each employee, it gets up to 12 weeks, provided they've worked approximately 1,240 hours, which is about a year. They can take 12 weeks off that can be applied toward paternity leave or maternity leave for child care.
Okay. Now, is that paid or is that without pay?
That would be unpaid.
Okay.
Yes. And then I posed the question, Wendell, I just found out, every state is different, Santana, but I found out that in Vermont, you have time off for nursing during the day. A mother can nurse, and does that pertain to Georgia?
Yes, it does. In Georgia, employees or females who have children would have time off that would be set aside, that they would have the opportunity to nurse their newborn baby or pump milk, and the job would have to provide them with a space to pump that milk, and it can't be a bathroom. It would have to be either some type of work closet or a break room of some sort.
Did not know that.
So Santana, even the paternity leave, even if the wife is taking off, but the husband's got the right to take off at the same, or the father at the same time.
That is correct.
Up to 3 months.
Yes.
But of course without pay.
It would be without pay, but they would get the 12 weeks that they could take off.
Opinions expressed on Law Call are those of the participants and do not necessarily reflect the opinions of 13 WMAZ staff or management, nor any legal or judicial entity. The legal information supplied in this broadcast is general information only and is not intended to be legal advice for any given situation. Do not rely on broadcast information without consulting an attorney. Contingent attorney's fees refers only to those fees charged by the attorneys for legal services. Such fees are not permitted in all types of cases. Court costs and other additional expenses of legal action usually must be paid by the client.